Cleaning under Jodies kitchen sink. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And as you can tell by the dark blue cupboards, I'm still at my daughter's house. So today we are going to tiny tidy her cupboard underneath her sink. And we're going to do a little bit of DIY stuff as well on her cupboard. So here's a before shot. She has nice little drawers here. She's got a basket and a bunch of stuff. And that's all gonna come out so that we can work on the bottom of her cupboard, because I think it's broken, so we'll get it all fixed up. Anyhow, Jodie, do the squatting.
Okay, hold on, I gotta get on my bum because
that hurts your knees. Yeah, I can't sit like that either.
I used to be able to, but I'm old now. I need some more of that.
I'm gonna speed this one up.
Oh, shit. Happened to me. Oh, I might have a lot of dish soap. Do you want to take one home?
Yep. I sure will. How come you have so much?
Because Jane gave me two.
Oh, that was nice.
Yep. Well, she can't use them.
Because of the smell.
Yep.
Yeah. I just don't know what it looks like with me turning in. I could have used that.
For what?
This. To put my dishes, my silverware in when I was doing dishes. That's what I was looking for. Why are you keeping them?
What? Because they're from our new dishwasher.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. I just thought
This is like
it had the time.
natural charcoal thing. Oh, perfect.
What's
Are they gonna
this?
fit?
I don't know. We just need one probably, because I don't want to do any sort of like cutting.
Well, this one's kind of crappy looking.
Yeah,
Is
we'll
that
use the
one?
we'll use the crappy looking one because I'm gonna cover it.
Those are pretty.
Yep.
Yes,
Those are the
good.
ones. They're called a Swedish dish rag.
This is a Swedish dish rag, and my son-in-law likes them, and they're so pretty. I like them too.
Amazon.
Yeah. Amazon.
Well, I'm glad you like them.
Amazon purchase.
Hint, hint.
I think I'm getting some. They're beautiful.
Hear anything,
Yeah, aren't
Jody?
they pretty? Do I hear anything?
This.
Oh
No, nice. Wow, look at that.
So that's me for the day. That's my.
That's it. He's done it.
I've done my work.
You found your two boards and you fixed the door.
Here's the
Okay.
dish soap. That's what I want to put in out there, yeah. But I need to
Yeah, you can switch it.
switch it. Okay. And then this thing houses our stuff. And that's why it doesn't. I got that big damper in back there. I forgot I did that. Oh yeah, look at it.
Oh,
I'm gonna have to get another one. Ooh, yeah, it's quite.
quite wet.
Mm-hmm. But it makes a difference. And I can't figure out if there is anything like leaking. So
Yeah.
we'll get another one of those. Yeah, cause see, look, it's moldy. There's mold.
Oh,
That's
there's
not
mold
good.
on there.
Where's that
Oh.
stuff? Where's that stuff?
What stuff?
It's like a mold spray. I think that's it right there.
I'm gonna put this outside.
Yeah, throw it in the garbage. Oh, it's beautiful. And then I think what I should do...
Okay, just a sec. Oh yeah, I'm still filming.
Yeah, you're still filming. I'm just spraying this down. Oh, I can pull this out. We have used it. Oops, don't, careful. Okay.
Set it off.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna let that soak for a bit.
Okay, so we found some mold, which is not good. And Jody sprayed some mold spray on it.
Which doesn't
Show them the
surprise
bottle.
me.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah, and we're gonna get under here and we're gonna clean this all up and then we're gonna fix it.
Yeah, because this is...
Okay, as you can see, the cupboard is cleared out. Everything's on the counter. A very nice clean kitchen that we worked so hard on for Sundays. And so we have all this stuff we're gonna organize and declutter before we put it back under. And we're also cleaning the mold and doing some painting. And then we're gonna put some new boards under there. And it'll be much better. It'll not only look better, it'll function better. And as you can see, this is no longer a tiny tidy. It's a mighty tidy. But it's a good thing we decided to do this because we found some mold and now we're going to get rid of it. So now we're going to declutter some of the things here and organize a little bit.
Something like... I wonder if I should just get a little jar and put it on the countertop. Sure. Put it in a jar, and then we know where it is. I just like to use these ones. Oh, look it, there's the little scouring pad you were supposed to use with the dish.
Oh, for the dish thing.
For the thingy.
Let's put it in here and put that stuff in there.
Okay, I just am not sure. Here's a... Which one do you need? I don't.
What?
Oh, should I just say goodbye to this one? It's rusty.
Yes, if it's rusty. Yes, if it's rusty, you're
Not
rusty.
really rusty.
You can get rid
We
of
should have washed the... Should have wiped down the whole container
Yeah, we will.
before we put the drawers back
the
in.
new ones back in.
We'll just take it out again.
Yeah. Take it out again.
These can go back in the pantry.
I don't think it's... I don't know if you saw that or not. That's what
So what?
on the can.
Which one do you want? The lavender tea tree, or the plain, or the Ecomax orange?
Which one don't you like?
I'm fine with any of them.
Oh, all right. I'll have the lavender one.
Okay. I'm gonna put it in with your shoes.
Yeah, good idea. I got shoes over there?
Yeah, right here. Those are your walking shoes.
Oh, right.
Brian's one.
Okay. That's clean. You can move into it.
Can you see that? Twist this so that you can see us.
Yeah, it flashes. There's still 48%, so there's lots. beautiful thrifted pottery. And she's going to leave it right there, and she has her dish tabs in it for her dishwasher. And it looks very nice. No. So we're not really sure what they're like.
So there's another ad for...
I would like at this time to invite you to subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to watch all the other Tiny Tidiers. They will be in my comments, a playlist. And just click on it and watch them all and give them a big thumbs up and subscribe.
I wonder if I should take the lid off of this.
Just a minute.
Actually, I think I might have
Get a basket that doesn't have a lid on it.
I know, I'm just trying to think what the heck.
Oh, you got a special ID for Skookumchuck, eh?
That was for when you did the bar.
Oh.
Jody put her dishcloths and tea towels in this cupboard instead of down below in a basket, and she bought these containers which can hold pop cans and stuff, and she put her dishcloths and tea towels in here so they're easy to reach instead of having them under her sink. Yeah, Jody has this really neat wooden crate that was sitting on the top of her cupboard, and she decided to put her garbage bags in it to keep them all contained. Yeah, it's a very nice wooden crate, and it needed a little wash, so we washed it up so she could fill it up with all her nice garbage bags. It's drying. We're going to take a break. It's going in, and then all the stuff is going back in with it. Under the pretty mat that Jody just put in the cupboard, we did lay a shelf from one of her shelving units that she's not using anymore. And it works to level out the flooring under this cupboard because it's kind of warped, and it just helps things sit more level, so it's easier to open the drawers and stuff. Anyhow, we got it done and feel pretty darn proud. You wrecked it last time. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. We had a few trials to go through with the leaks and the mold, but we got it all fixed up with lots and lots of help from Jodie's husband, Brian, who fixed all the leaks, and now it's perfect. So, don't forget to watch the playlist in my comments, and I'd like to thank you all again for spending this time with me and my daughter doing our tiny tidy. Bye! And now it's done. Isn't it beautiful? Excellent job. Yay! Goodbye.